In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com with an incredible new feature that will make your work life a lot easier. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step so that by the end of this video, you'll feel confident using Monday.com to streamline your project management tasks. First, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If it's your first time using Monday.com, it might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly. Now, look for the three dots icon on your screen. It's typically located in the top right corner, serving as a gateway to additional options. Clicking on these dots will display a drop-down menu where you'll find various actions you can take. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option to add new workspace. Select this option to create a separate area where you can organize your projects more effectively. Having multiple workspaces enables more customized management of distinct projects, ensuring you have a clean and clutter-free environment for each. Next, you'll be prompted to type in a name for your new workspace. Choose a name that reflects the nature of the projects you'll be managing within it. A well-thought-out name will make it easier to locate and organize your workspaces in the future, especially if you're managing several simultaneously. Once you've typed in your desired workspace name, click on the button labeled Add Workspace. This will officially create your new workspace, setting the stage to begin organizing and managing your projects more efficiently. With your empty workspace now set up, it's time to add content. Look for the plus sign icon, which typically indicates where you can add new elements. By clicking on this, you gain access to tools and templates that can populate your workspace and facilitate your project management. Now, click on Template Center from the available options. The Template Center is essentially a library where you can find pre-made templates geared toward various management tasks. It's a tremendous resource for kickstarting your project organization without having to reinvent the wheel each time. In the search bar within the Template Center, type in Project Management. This term will bring up a range of templates specifically designed for overseeing project timelines, tasks, and other related activities, helping you to stay on top of everything. You will be presented with several templates. Click on the one that best suits your project needs. The key here is to select a template that aligns with how you prefer to structure your projects. Doing so ensures that your management style is optimized according to your workflow. Finally, click on Use Template to integrate it into your new workspace. This will populate the workspace with the template structure, allowing you to get started with minimal setup. From here, you can customize the details according to your specific projects, tailoring it to suit your exact needs. And there you have it. You've learned how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com using a new feature that significantly enhances your ability to stay organized and efficient. Give it a try and see how it transforms your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.